I bicycle bike packed with my two kids, my 4 year old and 2 year old, for 238 miles to go backpacking. I think that's the name for it, and camping. So we started, as you can see, and in 4 days we went to the state park. We camped out, and I can tell you, it was the most hardest thing that I've ever done. Not only because I had to pull all the camping equipment, all the dry food, all the clothes, but we were pulling for four people on two bikes. And definitely was one of the hardest things. And the first day, we were in a thunderstorm with tornado warnings. But we still were able to pedal. And I can tell you, if you want to be your dreams, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to be a real estate investor, you want to write a book, there's going to be so many people that are going to stand up telling you you're not going to be able to do it. And it's usually the people that are not doing it. So again, the people that are not doing it are the ones that are going to come tell you not to do it. For whatever reason, they're going to tell you you're crazy, this is not going to work, and so on and so on. But I can tell you, if you want to be your dreams, it doesn't matter if you have a 2 year old, if you don't have a 4 year old, you can do it. You can bicycle physically 238 miles across towns, multiple towns, if that's what you want to do. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to be a wholesaler, you want to be a real estate investor, you want to do a fix and flip, you want to own rental properties, you want to buy houses subject to. There are going to be a lot of people in your life that are not doing it. You know, the people sitting on the benches, they're trying to tell the people that are actually in the ring not to fight because they're going to lose. And I can tell you, in my trip, I encountered a lot of people like this. Okay, before I left, when I was doing it with the family, pulling the two kids, pulling all the equipment, but I can tell you, don't listen to them. So let's dive in. All right, guys, we bicycled, backpacked. I think it was called backpacking bicycling. Not sure what the term is, but anyways, let me show you. There it is, guys. That's my bike, and that's my sleeping gear, and all that stuff is other stuff that we need. We became minimalist, and in here you got basically all of our camping stuff, you know, bagged up, sleeping bags and stuff like that, ready to go. And you know, pretty minimalist, and that's the other bike. That one's all packed up too. Water, and we got our kids in here. So we got two burleys, two gazelles, two beautiful daughters, Alchemy and Elixir. They're both passed out. They went in there, did some swimming, went to the park, and now we're gonna head back. So to get here was 131 miles, you know, back and forth that we did. I estimated it's gonna be a 100-mile drive, but I was off because we had to go back to town. I forgot some stuff, or it wasn't compatible, propane, so I had to go get another one. So 131 miles, and then we got to go back. There you go, guys. That's our rig. That's our ride. We bike FM roads. We bike a little bit of highway. We bike some trails, and we haven't stayed any days at hotels. We just camped it out. So truly backpacking, not in the backcountry, but in the FM roads and city to city. Peace, guys.